ate one time already. They're growing back. They don't take very much space, so I just planted them between like this. It's much easier to water them. Try to push, need to be deeper, because when you water them, they may come out. Garlic and the onions is very, very easy to grow. If you don't take the roots out, they can just chop. They'll always grow back. So it's most easy to grow vegetables. Oh, my garlic come out now. How many days? 1 week, I think. 1 week now. Some of them not come out yet. This is garlic I grow in last time. It's real grow very fast. I think because the temperature, everything is much higher than before. Now is May. Today is May 2nd. So grow last 2 weeks, I think. Wow. That's why Mama's meal? No. Yeah. No. Yeah. These garlics are from last year. So I've been ate like 5 times least. So I don't think they will grow anymore. Very short. Oh, and they even grow 2 baby ones. Maybe I should put back. Very big. Hello, Mommy, you're finished now. Oh, still sleeping? Okay, sleeping. Mama heard you.